let's turn up the excitement and make this herb-growing journey an epic adventure. Strap in, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the wondrous world of homegrown herbs. The herb garden odyssey begins in the lush gardens of imagination, where dreams take root and flavors flourish. Our journey begins. Close your eyes and picture yourself standing at the threshold of your very own herb garden. The sun kisses your skin as you inhale the fragrant aroma of basil and rosemary, mingling in the air like old friends reunited after years apart. Choosing your green companions. Now, let's talk about choosing the perfect herbs for your garden. Sure, basil and parsley are classics, but why stop there? Let your imagination run wild as you explore the endless possibilities of herbaceous delights. From the zesty tang of cilantro to the earthy richness of thyme, there's a world of flavors waiting to be discovered in your own backyard. The art of container gardening. But wait, how will you contain all this herbaceous abundance? Fear not, Intrepid Gardener for Container Gardening is here to save the day. Let's think outside the traditional terracotta pot and explore the wild world of unconventional containers. How about repurposing old tires into whimsical herb planters? Or turning an old bathtub into a veritable oasis of greenery? The sky's the limit when it comes to container gardening. Soil secrets unveiled. Now, let's get down and dirty with the soil. Forget about bland old potting mix. It's time to unleash the power of DIY soil amendments. Get ready to channel your inner mad scientist as you experiment with different soil blends, from nutrient-rich compost to mineral-packed vermiculite. Your herbs will thank you for it with lush, vigorous growth and flavors that sing. The dance of companion planting. But wait, there's more to herb gardening than meets the eye. Did you know that certain herbs make excellent companions in the garden? It's true. From the fiery passion of chili peppers to the soothing embrace of lavender, companion planting is all about finding the perfect dance partners for your herbs. Together, they'll create a symphony of flavors and aromas that will delight the senses and nourish the soul. Natural pest control magic. But no garden is without its pests, you say? Fear not, for Mother Nature has provided us with her own army of defenders. Say goodbye to harmful chemicals and hello to eco-friendly solutions like companion planting, beneficial insects, and natural repellents. With a little bit of know-how and a whole lot of love, you can keep your garden pest-free without harming the environment. Herb care, a love story. Now, let's talk about caring for your precious herbs. Did you know that herbs have their own language, whispered through their leaves and stems? It's true. By tuning in to their subtle cues, you can become a master gardener in no time. From watering to pruning to harvesting, every action is a love letter to your herbs, nurturing them into vibrant, thriving specimens that will reward you with bountiful harvests for years to come. The harvest feast. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for, the harvest feast. Picture yourself standing in your garden, surrounded by a cornucopia of fresh herbs, their leaves glistening with dew in the morning sun. With a pair of scissors in hand, you snip and gather, filling your basket with fragrant bundles of culinary delight. From pesto to salads to cocktails, the possibilities are endless when you have a garden full of fresh herbs at your fingertips. Preserving the bounty. But wait, what will you do with all this herbaceous abundance? Fear not, for we have one final trick up our sleeves. Preserving the bounty. Whether it's drying herbs for future use, infusing oils and vinegars with their essence, or concocting herbal cocktails that will dazzle the senses, there's no end to the creative ways you can preserve and enjoy your harvest all year round. The herb gardener's legacy. And so our epic saga comes to a close, but the journey of the herb gardener is far from over. As you tend to your garden with love and care, you'll pass down a legacy of green wisdom and culinary delight to future generations. And who knows? Perhaps one day, your own garden will inspire others to embark on their own herb-growing odyssey, weaving new tales of flavor and fragrance in the tapestry of garden lore.